10th standard his first flight lessonல இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டான synonyms பார்க்கலாம். 1. Stretched, extended. 2. Muster up, gather. 3. Plunge, dived. 4. Maddened, enraged. 5. Shrill, high-pitched. 6. Daintily, gently. 7. Preening, cleaning. 8. Plaintively, sadly. 9. Desperate, hopeless. 10. Beckoning, signaling. Beckoning, signaling. The night ghost got in. Synonyms: chaos, disorder, hullabaloo, loud noise. 3. Tiptoed, walk quietly. 4. Rapidly, quickly. 5. Gruffly, sadly. 6. Slammed, closed forcefully. 7. Yanked, pulled. 8. Grabbed, caught. 9. Gleamed, shone. 10. Ransack, plunder. Ransack, plunder. Empowered woman. Synonyms: 1. Circumnavigated, travel around. 2. Tremendous, terrific. 3. Accomplishment, achievement. 4. Deity, God. 5. Commissioned, called. 6. Anticipated, to foresee. 7. Skippered, to act as a captain. 8. Blissful, joyful. 9. Tactical, planning. Patron. 10. Patron, friendly. Lesson attic. The attic. Synonyms: 1. Bifurcated, divided into 2. 2. Soothing, calming. 3. Engraved, carved. 4. Overwrought, upset. 5. Crazy, mad. 6. Rustic, rural. 7. Ascertained, confirmed. 8. Peered, guessed. 9. Venting, expressing. 10. Jealous, envious. Fourth lesson. Tech bloomers. Synonyms: 1. Exhausted, consumed. 2. Impairments, disabilities. 3. Icon, images. 4. Gas, stare. 5. Boon, blessing. 6. Capable, ability. 7. Amazing, surprising. 8. Syntax, sentence structure. 9. Interactive, mutual. 10. Competent, capable. Sixth lesson. The last lesson. Synonyms: 1. Chirping, high-pitched sound. 2. Unison, combined. 3. Choked, suffocated or blacked. 4. Rapping, striking. 5. Amazed, surprised. Trembled, shivered. 7. Patience, tolerance. 8. Anxious, concerned. 9. Gesture, signal. 10. Blamed, accused. 11. Soap, serious. 12. Drilling, march. Seventh lesson. The dying detective. Synonyms: 1. Gaunt, lean. 2. Contagious, infectious. 3. Gloomy, depressed. 4. Delirious, frantic அல்லது mad. 5. Horrified, panicked. 6. Flushed, reddish. 7. Startling, surprised. 8 persuade, convince. 9 pleaded, begged. 10 dejection, depression. 11 bolted, locked. 12 evidence, proof. எவிடன்ஸ், ப்ரூஃப். நம்ம இப்போ 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்டுக்கு ப்ரோஸில் இருக்க எல்லா சினானியம்ஸும் நம்ம இப்போ பார்த்துட்டோம். இதுக்குள்ளேருந்து தான் உங்களுக்கு வரும். இதை நீங்கள் நல்லா தரவாக படிச்சுக்கணும். தேங்க்யூ.